Hey yo, boom! What's up, my people? What's up, internet? How are you doing, guys? Thank you very much for coming back to watch my videos. I'm really excited to see you again on my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and you're going to learn lots of stuff and information on how to move your life and how to deal with your life situations and events. So today, I'm just waiting for my friend who is coming to pick me right here in Aylesbury, UK. And we're going to be heading to another town where he's staying about 40 miles from here. Is it 40 miles or 15 miles around there? So we're going to be fixing a car. So he got a car which which needs fixing, which needs service. So I'm going to be teaching him how to fix a car. I'm sure you've seen the video that we did last week when we fixed did a service for his Ford car. So successfully did service, and the car was performing, and everything. We changed oil, we changed plugs, we changed brake pads. So if you haven't seen the video, kindly go back and maybe check. You see there's something here popping. Is it here? No, I think it's here. There's a link there that is going to pop there of the video. So just click on that video and watch on how to service the car on your own, DIY. So I'm going to be teaching my friend who does not have much information about much experience, in fact, about fixing. So last week I told him to buy state-of-the-art toolbox. So he bought a state-of-the-art toolbox for about 300 and something pounds. That's a lot of money. And this toolbox had everything that we will need for fixing, almost everything, every tool, every nut, every spanner, every socket, every ratchet that we will need, the Allen keys, the Torx keys, everything that we need to fix or dismantle any car. So he's gonna be very much good mechanic, I can promise you that, and I'm going to teach him how to do that DIY, do it yourself, save money by doing it yourself. So if you want to learn more about fixing, stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and you're going to learn lots of ways of solving your car problems. So today we're going to change a seal. There's a gearbox seal that is leaking on his car, so he bought the seal from Ford. So today we're going to remove and replace that old seal with a new seal. It has been leaking, and the oil, gearbox oil, has been seeping down, from the underside of the engine compartment. So we're going to be replacing that gearbox oil seal for that Ford Focus. So if you have a Ford Focus, probably it has the same problem. You can probably just go under the car, make sure you jack your car safely, and make sure you got a proper jack, you apply your hand brakes, and go under the car and check. If you see any oils under the car, you need to suspect one of these seals, suspect that it might be leaking and it might need replacement. So we're going to take you through the process of changing this gearbox oil seal on this Ford Focus, and you probably might be facing the same problem. All right, so stay tuned as I wait for my friend who is supposed to be coming in just now. He hasn't arrived. He's supposed to arrive at 10 now. It's about 10:15, and I haven't seen him. He's probably on his way. He hasn't said anything. So let's hope the plan is going to work out today. And stay tuned. Please subscribe. Please give the video a like. Like the video. Subscribing is free. Subscribe, stay tuned, comment, like, and share the video, and you learn lots of stuff. So see you soon when we fixing the car. Wakaenda kunona my friend yao ku London. Yeah. Saka ndiri ndega ndakapiwa mukana. Waimba yese. Akasiri waimba yese. Alutsoka nini? Hands next week. Okay. Yeah. Warutombo no spako halas. This area. It's nice. It's very nice. This one? No, I haven't. I probably might need to take a tour. It's a new estate. Yeah, it looks like a new estate.
There's one video I'm gonna
Yeah.
big also nice guys.
Yeah, when you must bigger them.
I'm an Namibian standards. It's okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to take him back over. I did another.
Bosona. Yeah, but it's quite a distance from Windhoek. It's quite a distance, so that's the only thing that otherwise Kurnan is better than nothing. Nema standards in Namibia. Never to accommodation in Namibia. What do you say? I was lost. I was completely lost. And I think everything of my life will be better than it is. She got the wrong mode. Do you want to damage this electric one? What do you mean problem? This one. Chelsea. Is it Chelsea or Tesla? Tesla. I need one of these things. Electric scooter. Yeah, you probably need something. But usually, if you know, that could be actually ready to fit in that wall.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep.
So now I've arrived. What's up guys? So I've arrived at my friend's house now. It's time that we're going to be fixing that car, so I'm just going to change. I don't have a proper overall, so I got some old clothes here that I'm going to be wearing for the job. So after this I'm going to be going down and start the fixing of the car. So stay tuned, subscribe, like and share the video and enjoy. So we are about to start the process now. These are our tools. Half-Wall's advanced toolbox. So I'll just show you what is here. So right, these are our tools. All this ready to start the job. Just gonna lift the wheels. You need to remove the wheel, isn't it? On the left side. The gearbox is on the left side. And this is our car. These are the other parts that we removed the other day.
I've been thinking about the good times.
We are ready.
I've been sleeping through the long night.
Start fixing.
I've been shining in the sunlight.
Check on the right place. Otherwise, it will come for you.
There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling.
Put it right where it's supposed to be.
So sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep.
Wait, I hate each other. The plastic should come out. Is it still on? Oh, the space is so tight. Okay. The space is so tight. So we need to remove this seal here. There's a seal that is in here. So for us to get there, we needed to remove this plastic cover here. And now we need to remove this and this, and then untie this, and then we take out the seal. So before we do that, I can't. You got it? That's 2 pieces of. Which one are we removing first? Is it this one? Or this one? Or is this one?
This one.
Oh goodness, so we have changed our rubber seal. We have removed and replaced this, and this is the other seal that we just replaced on our Ford. So let me just show you what we did here. So this seal comes, this is under the car, this seal. So all the time guys, you have to make sure that your car is jagged nicely. You have sufficient support. So if you can see, we got a jag in the tire there, and here we got another stand just in case the car falls and you apply your brake pad. And so this is the seal that we changed this here. So we had to remove this. It's very easy. First of all, you have to remove this plastic here. You find there's some few nuts that comes here from inside 4. So you remove this plastic, is easy, and then you remove this. You push this from inside here, and then you pull it slightly, and then this will pop out, and then you use a tools to remove this nut here, and then this will come out, this rubber cover here, and then this will move out, and you can easily see everything coming off guys. It's easy. If you are someone who does fixing, you can actually figure out. But just remember, first of all, you remove this plastic here. There's another one that covers the front side of this plastic, and there are 4 nuts that it comes. Let me show you from inside here. From inside here, to remove this plastic cover. So once you remove this plastic cover here, you just put it on the side, and then you remove this clip here, and you remove this pops out. Once this pops out, you remove this with the trucks, this one. You remove this, just push and pull. You remove this, and remove this C clip. Once you remove that, this will come out this way, and this will come out as well, and then you can access the rubber seal easy. Under and wash. Wash the grease. Right, so that's it. You can see the oil that was leaking there. So just want to clean the oil with degreaser and hot water as we finish our job for today. Oh, so tired, and it's windy and cold. So you have to run up, you have to go under. So you see, if you remove this cover here, it makes it easy to see as well. The dust cover, this one, it gives you easy access and easy view of your gearbox seal. Alright, so that was today's job. We shall put back everything where it's supposed to be and finish up today's job. And we take it for test drive. So goodness, I couldn't take the proper video. There was not space there to actually put the camera through and be fixing and recording. Yeah, just wash it. It will dry, because if you let Sabude, it will just dry. Maybe it will become dust and it will dry out. It won't be leaking anymore. So we see how it's performing, your beast. And we can test it. We can test it. Starting.
Next week.
I can give you this thing when you are going, or if I can leave it if you are going soon. Then you can clear it before you go. Also, don't need to put on my seatbelt again. Right, before we come and get a ticket. Seatbelt ticket. When actually it's just the same. You think it's changing better? Better than it was. It's probably just the same. It's probably just behaving the same. But you know that feeling after. But I think that gearbox oil was too dirty. It looks like it was more dirty.